In the intricate realm of kitchen design, the choices made resonate far beyond mere aesthetics. They shape the essence of a space where functionality meets beauty. This exploration dives into the depths of design dilemmas, unraveling the complex narratives behind seemingly innocuous decisions. From the enigma of pink-beige walls to the timeless allure of white kitchens, each chapter unveils layers of insight into the delicate dance between form and function. The narrative delves into pervasive misconceptions, offering a guiding light through the intricacies of color theory, material coordination, and the ever-evolving trends that shape our perception of the ideal kitchen. As we embark on this journey, we invite you to navigate the nuances of design, challenging conventional wisdom and embracing a mindful approach that transcends fleeting trends, fostering enduring and aesthetically pleasing kitchen spaces. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Giagia Home Organization. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. The dilemma of pink-beige walls. The perplexing choice of incorporating pink-beige walls into the kitchen design becomes a captivating enigma that demands a more profound exploration. While one might discern some rationale in its compatibility with a commanding pink-beige travertine tile, the decision to introduce this color without a clear thematic connection raises deep questions about the overall design cohesion. Furthermore, the potential influence of an adjoining room injects an additional layer of complexity into the decision-making process, necessitating a thorough and critical evaluation. This instance serves not merely as a design anomaly, but as a poignant reminder of a prevalent pitfall in interior design: color choices that diverge, sometimes sharply, from the meticulously envisioned spatial harmony. The call to action is resounding, urging both seasoned designers and homeowners alike to delve into the intricacies for a unified and harmonious visual narrative, fostering a space where color choices resonate with the broader design intent. 2. Myth-busting the white kitchen: warmth versus sterility. Navigating the nuanced landscape of kitchen design, the narrative embarks on a comprehensive exploration of the pervasive and often misguided perception shrouding white kitchens in an aura of cold sterility. Homeowners, grappling with genuine concerns about infusing warmth into their kitchen spaces, embark on a journey to warm up a white and gray kitchen without a nuanced consideration of distinct undertones. Adopting the insightful, understanding undertones approach, the analysis unravels the layers of complexity within the chosen pink-beige walls, exposing their lack of harmonious integration with the overall kitchen palette and a thoughtful interplay with broader principles of color theory. This exploration evolves into a compelling discourse on the timeless allure of white kitchens, emphasizing the potential pitfalls of overlooking the intricate dance between white and wood elements within the spatial narrative. The call to action resonates as an invitation to adopt a mindful approach, delving beyond surface-level considerations and encouraging designers to explore the deeper nuances of color dynamics for a truly enduring and aesthetically pleasing kitchen design that stands as a testament to the intersection of functionality and beauty. 3. Coordination. Conundrum: matching finishes to wood floors. Venturing into the intricate terrain of kitchen design, a classic yet pervasive error surfaces: the attempt to coordinate hard finishes and paint colors based on the wood floor. The misconception that the wood tone should wield unwavering influence over interior color choices is methodically debunked, underscoring the need to prioritize decorating decisions and overall aesthetics. The discourse unfolds with illustrative examples of well-conceived kitchens, where the wood floor seemingly fades into the background, challenging the conventional need for direct coordination. This in-depth analysis emerges as a guiding beacon for homeowners grappling with the delicate balance between cohesive design and the intrinsic characteristics of their chosen materials. The narrative invites a deeper exploration of the nuanced relationship between design elements, advocating for a creative approach that transcends the limiting constraints of direct coordination with the wood floor, ultimately fostering a design ethos that celebrates individuality and aesthetic harmony. 4. Backsplash blues: navigating trends and undertones. Venturing further into the intricacies of kitchen design, the spotlight turns towards the challenges posed by trendy backsplashes, with a specific focus on the intriguing case of a pencil mosaic choice. What was once celebrated as a popular and chic option now stands in the shadows of changing trends, competing with the visually engaging and dynamic floor pattern. The narrative skillfully navigates through the intricacies of selecting a wall color that not only harmonizes with existing elements, but also navigates the array of undertones introduced by the chosen backsplash. This exploration serves as a thoughtful guide, shedding light on the importance of understanding the permanence of a backsplash color choice. The cautionary tale emerges, advising against the potential pitfalls of closely matching the backsplash with the countertop. The advocacy for a timeless and versatile white backsplash resonates as a cornerstone principle in achieving enduring design elegance, transcending fleeting trends and establishing a timeless aesthetic that withstands the test of evolving style preferences. 5. Transition troubles. Managing contrast in kitchen design. As the narrative unfolds, attention turns to the often overlooked realm of managing contrast and transitions in kitchen design, a critical consideration for achieving a visually cohesive and aesthetically pleasing space. Delving deeper into the intricacies of the awkward pink-beige shapes framing windows, alternative strategies are proposed that enhance visual coherence and contribute to a more fluid spatial narrative. The profound impact of unnecessary visual noise created through contrasting elements is explored, advocating for the deliberate use of soft transitions by maintaining uniformity in color elements. A compelling case is made for the versatility and foolproof nature of a white backsplash, positioned as a fundamental element in achieving a well-composed, visually engaging, and enduringly timeless kitchen design. This exploration becomes a rallying cry for designers and homeowners alike to embrace a mindful approach, acknowledging the transformative power of well-managed contrast and transitions in creating a kitchen space that stands the test of time. A space that seamlessly weaves together functionality, aesthetics, and a timeless design ethos. In the culmination of our exploration, we find ourselves at the intersection of creativity and functionality, where design choices become a testament to the intricate balance between artistry and practicality. The enigma of pink-beige walls, the myth-busting of white kitchens, the coordination conundrum of matching finishes to wood floors, the challenges of navigating trendy backsplashes, and the intricacies of managing contrast in kitchen design, all weave together to form a comprehensive tapestry of insights. This journey underscores the importance of a nuanced understanding of design principles, encouraging both designers and homeowners to embrace a holistic perspective. As we conclude, let these revelations serve as a guiding compass, steering us towards kitchen spaces that not only captivate the eye, but also stand resilient against the test of time, a harmonious fusion of design ingenuity and enduring elegance. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.